Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to make a ringtone on iPhone with GarageBand. Let's dive into the tutorial. Firstly, open GarageBand from your iPhone, iPad or iPod Touch and simply go to My Songs option available there. Within My Songs browser, tap Browse folder icon, choose Select and then tap the project shared from your Mac. Now, long press to find Share and then select Ringtone. Choose a name for your ringtone and then select Export. If your project is longer than 30 seconds, you can select Continue and GarageBand will shorten the length of the songs for you automatically. Hitting Cancel will allow you to shorten the songs yourself. Then select Export. From here, you are then able to assign the project as a ringtone. Whenever you receive a phone call, it will be your project that plays every single time. Additionally, there is a few different options user will have when it comes to setting their custom ringtones, such as immediately after you export it, you will see an option to use sound as. Selecting this will allow you to make your project a ringtone. You will have several options after selecting this. You can see three options available there: standard ringtone, standard text tone, assigned to contact. Standard ringtone, this option will replace your existing ringtone with your new song. Standard text tone, selecting this will replace your text tone with your song or project. Assigned to contact, this will take your song or project and make it a ringtone for a specific individual. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.